The Innerwell Stone Earth Nonstick 10-inch sauté pan aims to be a helpful tool in your kitchen. It offers a non-stick surface for easier cooking and cleanup. This pan can be a door to new culinary adventures, boosting your confidence in the kitchen. You can cook with less oils, which is a bonus for healthy meals. The Innerwell Stone Earth Nonstick 10-inch pan features a DOTCLAD base for even heating. This capability ensures your food cooks uniformly, preventing hot spots. It is also induction compatible. Adding to its versatility, the pan comes with a lid, which helps trap heat and moisture. This feature is basic for many cooking tasks. Overall, the Innerwell Stone Earth Nonstick 10-inch sauté pan seems like a practical choice. It is PFOA free, which is a plus for health-conscious cooks. While it might not have automotive applications or be found on AbeBooks, it focuses on its primary function, cooking. It's a simple converter of ingredients into delicious meals. Pros: PFOA-free, induction-ready, includes lid 10-inch size, easy to clean, versatile use. Durable material, even heating, good for sautéing. Cons: outside hard to clean, might be heavy, handle may loosen, not very large, non-stick might wear, could be unbalanced, handle gets hot. Quality concerns. Features: Innerwell Stone Earth, non-stick surface 10-inch size, sauté pan style, comes with a lid. Healthy material, PFOA-free, induction-ready, easy to clean, durable design. This Innerwell Stone Earth sauté pan is a 10-inch pan with a non-stick surface and a lid. It's designed to be healthy because it is made without PFOA. This pan can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. It is also made to be easy to clean and last a long time. This 10-inch Innerwell Stone Earth sauté pan has a non-stick surface that's PFOA-free and safe to use on induction cooktops. And it comes with a lid. It's designed to be easy to clean, good for many kinds of cooking, made of strong stuff, and heats food evenly, which is great for sautéing. However, the outside might be hard to scrub clean, and some people think it could be a bit heavy and not very big. There are also questions about whether the handle might get loose or hot, if the non-stick coating will last, and if the pan is balanced well, plus some general concerns about its quality.